guys, if you have plans of visiting the city of Umuahia this festive period, this is the video you need to see. Stay tuned to the end of the video for you to see what the city looks like few days to Christmas.
Oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories.
Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. So today I'll be taking you around the city of Umuahia, a detailed tour of the city of Umuahia. So if you've ever visited Umuahia before, let us know in the comment section. If you have not or you are planning to visit, this is the video you need to see. Watch it to the end and give us your feedback at the end of the video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So let's go guys. We are in Umuahia, so let's see what the city of Umuahia looks like in 2021. So I hope the city is as beautiful as Enugu or Owerri.
Is that one to be one way towards gates?
The city of Umuahia. I know the road going towards what's the name of this school of agriculture?
Modike.
Yes, I know that road is bad. If you are going to Uyo, I know the road is bad.
That's Michael Opara.
Yes, Michael Opara, school of agriculture. So with this drive, we'll just go through their government house and see how the heart of Owerri is.
This government house road.
Still not familiar with the name of places here, but just enjoy the view. This is the choice.
It is Abaroad. Here is Bank Road, Bank Street rather.
So they have all the banks here.
Yes, there's a government office, government house. There's the government house. There's police number that I just saw gas. It's the SS under this mine. Bank Road, we're heading to FMC, Federal Medical Center, Umuahia. No, let's go soon. This that will gas it today. Over there. Enter people street.
Let's find gas today.
That's a only a beauty in a traffic light. The guy will be
Why you calm down? I know we don't stress complimentary cars, give up plenty.
Every day they do everybody in the para now. So this is Umuahia. We are moving towards gates now. Oh, this is very cool. It's abaroad. From FMC to gates. The second tower.
Straight.
Yeah, straight. Gates nowadays, slots, Peace Mass Park.
That's supposed to be see my car this thing by
here. So this is slots, and that is a techno
straight.
Straight. Yeah. Welcome to Lagos Street. Yeah, Umuahia. This is Lagos Street.
Lagos Street, that is not straight.
As you can see the spirit of Lagos there. To shoprite as Abia shopping mall. Yes.
This shoprite. Right, very well.
So that's Abia Mall.
People small. It shows the kind of state we are in.
Nice. In Umuahia, sorry. Beku Quarters.
People, their face can strong. Their gaze and they get strong face.
Like Abakaliki. To Oju Sokalu hometown.
So guys, we'll be ending today's ride here. Hope you find this video very informative and I hope it helps you as you visit the city of Umuahia. So do well to give us your feedback. Let's get your comment in the comment section. Like the video, ensure you subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.